Excuse me. Hi.
Hi, can I help you?
I hope so. I think I'm lost.
Oh no, where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the city museum.
The City Museum? It's not very far from here.
Really? That's good to hear.
Yes, you're actually quite close.
Oh, thank goodness. I was starting to worry.
Are you visiting the city?
Yes, I am. It's my first time here.
Welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
That's nice. What do you think of the city so far?
It's beautiful, but the streets are a little confusing.
Yes, I understand. The city center can be tricky.
I tried to use my phone, but my battery died.
That's always the worst moment for your phone to die.
I know. So now I'm using this paper map.
That's old school. I like it.
Haha, yes, but I don't think I'm reading it correctly.
All right, first, go straight down this street.
Go straight from here?
Yes, exactly. Just walk straight for about 2 blocks.
2 blocks. Okay.
Then you'll see a big park on your right side.
A big park on my right. Got it.
Yes, after you pass the park, turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left at the traffic light. Okay.
Then keep walking for about 5 minutes.
Around 5 minutes?
Yes, not too long. The museum will be on your left. It's a large white building. You can't miss it.
A large white building on the left. That doesn't sound too difficult.
No, it's pretty easy once you start walking.
That makes me feel better. Thank you so much. You're very kind to stop and help me.
No problem at all. I'm happy to help.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do. I've lived here all my life.
Really? You're lucky. It's such a nice city.
Yeah, I like it. There's always something to do, especially in the summer.
Oh, that sounds nice. What do you usually recommend to tourists?
Well, definitely the museum. And the river walk is beautiful in the evening.
The river walk? That sounds lovely.
It is. And you should try some local restaurants too.
Oh, I love trying new food. That's one of my favorite things when I travel.
Then you're in the right place. There are some great spots around here.
Sorry, can you repeat the directions one more time? I just want to be sure.
Of course, no problem. Go straight for 2 blocks.
Yes,
You'll see a park on your right.
right.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Left at the traffic light.
Then walk for about 5 minutes.
Okay,
The museum will be on your left. Big white building.
perfect. I understand now. Thank you again. You really saved my day.
I'm glad I could help.
Maybe I'll see you around while I'm exploring.
Maybe. Enjoy the museum.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
At the café, talking about life.
Hi, Daniel. I'm so happy to see you.
Hi, Emma. It's been a long time. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Just a little busy these days.
Oh, really? Why are you busy?
I started a new course last month.
That's great. What are you studying?
I'm studying graphic design.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it a lot. It's creative, and I enjoy learning new things.
That's wonderful. Is it difficult?
Sometimes, yes, but I practice every day.
Practice makes perfect.
Exactly. What about you? How is work?
Work is okay. I'm still working at the marketing company.
Do you still work long hours?
Sometimes. Last week was very busy.
Why? What happened?
We had a big presentation for an important client.
Were you nervous?
Yes, a little, but everything went well.
That's good. Did the client like your presentation?
Yes, they were very happy.
Congratulations! You must feel proud.
Thank you. Yes, I feel proud.
Talking about daily life.
So, what do you usually do after work?
After work? Well, most days I just go straight home. I'm usually pretty tired. I cook dinner, relax a bit, and then watch some TV before bed.
Oh, okay. So you don't go out much during the week?
Not really. I mean, sometimes I meet a friend, but most of the time I just want to rest. Work takes a lot of energy, you know?
Yeah, I understand. Do you cook every single day?
Yeah, almost every day. I try to, at least. I like knowing what I'm eating, and I try to make healthy meals.
Wow, that's really good. I don't enjoy cooking very much, to be honest.
Oh, really? Why not?
I don't know. It just feels like it takes forever. First, you prepare everything, then you cook, and after that, you have to clean. It's too much sometimes.
Yeah, the cleaning part is not fun. That's true.
Exactly. By the time I finish, I'm already tired. So I prefer something quick and simple.
That makes sense. So, what do you usually eat then?
Let me think. I often make pasta. It's easy and fast. Or a simple salad. And sometimes just a sandwich if I'm really tired.
Honestly, that sounds pretty good. Pasta is always a good idea.
Yes, you can't go wrong with pasta.
Do you ever try new recipes, or do you stick to the same meals?
I mostly repeat the same things. It's easier. I don't like following long recipes.
I get that. Sometimes simple food is the best food.
Exactly. And what about you? What kind of healthy food do you cook?
Oh, nothing fancy. Grilled chicken, rice, vegetables, things like that. Very basic.
That sounds nice, actually. Maybe I need some cooking motivation.
Maybe. Or maybe one day I can give you an easy recipe.
Yes, please. But only if it's really simple.
Deal. Very simple.
Talking about dreams.
Emma, can I ask you something a little personal?
Sure. What is it?
What's your biggest dream? Like, the one thing you really want in your life?
Oh, wow. That's a big question. Let me think for a second. I guess my biggest dream is to work for an international company someday.
Really? That's a great goal. Why an international company?
I don't know. I just like the idea of working with people from different countries, different cultures, different ideas. It sounds exciting.
Yeah, that does sound interesting. Do you think you're close to that dream?
Not yet. I still need to improve my English first.
Honestly, your English is already good. You speak very clearly.
Thank you. That means a lot. But I still feel shy sometimes. I want to speak more confidently, you know?
Yeah, I understand. Confidence is not only about language, it's about practice.
That's true. I think I just need to speak more and stop being afraid of mistakes.
Exactly. The more you speak, the easier it becomes.
You're right. I just have to push myself a little.
And what kind of position would you like in that company? Do you know?
Maybe something in marketing or communication. I like working with ideas and people.
That fits you. I can imagine you in that role.
Really? I hope so.
Yeah, for sure.
What about you? What's your biggest dream?
Me? Well, I've always wanted to start my own business one day.
Oh, really? That's exciting. What kind of business?
I'm not completely sure yet, but maybe a small coffee shop.
A coffee shop? That's perfect for you. You love coffee.
Exactly. I drink coffee every day, so why not?
That's true. But why a coffee shop and not something else?
I think it's because I like the atmosphere. People come in, relax, talk, work. It feels warm and friendly.
That sounds really nice. I can imagine it already. A small, cozy place.
Yes, not too big, just simple. Good coffee, calm music, and nice conversations.
That fits your personality. You enjoy talking to people.
I do. I like meeting new people and hearing their stories.
That's important for a business like that.
Yeah, of course, it's just a dream for now. But maybe one day.
One day, we both have big dreams.
Yes, we do. Step by step, right?
Step by step.
At the hotel, checking in. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, good afternoon. I have a reservation here.
That's great. Can I have your name, please?
Yes, of course. It's Daniel Brown.
Daniel Brown. Just a second while I check. Yes, I see it here. You booked a single room for 3 nights, right?
Yes, that's correct. 3 nights.
Perfect. May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Just a moment. All right, everything looks fine.
Great.
Would you prefer a room on a higher floor or maybe a lower one?
A higher floor would be nice. I really like a good view.
I understand. The view is much better from up there. We have a room on the 5th floor with a city view.
Oh, that sounds really nice.
Yes, it's quite popular. Breakfast is included with your stay. It's served from 7 to 10 in the restaurant on the 1st floor.
Okay, good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, one more thing. Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, of course. It's free for all guests. The password is written on your room card holder.
That's perfect. I need it for some work.
No problem at all. Do you need any help with your luggage?
No, I think I'm fine. It's not too heavy.
All right then. Here is your key. Room 512 on the 5th floor. The elevator is just around the corner.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay, Mr. Brown. Later that evening.
Excuse me. I have a small problem with my room.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's going on?
The air conditioner isn't working. It's a bit warm in the room.
Oh no, I apologize for that. Thank you for telling us. I'll send someone to fix it right away.
Thank you. Do you know how long it might take?
It shouldn't be long. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, that's fine. I'll wait in the room.
Of course. Is there anything else I can help you with while you're here?
Actually, yes. Is there a supermarket nearby?
Yes, there is one just across the street. You can see it from the hotel entrance.
Oh, that's easy.
Yes, and it's open until 11 p.m., so you still have time.
Perfect. Thanks a lot for your help.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let us know. The next morning. Good morning, Mr. Brown. How are you today? Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Yes, I slept very well, thank you. The bed was really comfortable. And I'm happy to say the air conditioner worked perfectly last night.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear. I'm glad everything is working properly now.
Yes, thank you for fixing it so quickly yesterday. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. That's what we're here for.
Actually, I have a small question, if that's okay.
Of course. No problem at all. What would you like to know?
I need to go to the train station this morning. What's the best way to get there?
Let me think. The easiest and fastest way is by taxi. It usually takes about 15 minutes, but it depends on the traffic.
About 15 minutes. That's not too far.
No, it's quite close. In the morning, traffic can be a little busy, but not too bad.
I see. And how much does a taxi usually cost?
It's around $10. Sometimes a little less, sometimes a little more, but usually about 10.
Okay, that sounds reasonable. That's not expensive.
Yes, it's a fair price for the distance.
Is there any other option? Maybe something cheaper?
Yes, of course. You can also take the bus. The bus stop is right in front of the hotel entrance. You can't miss it.
Oh, really? That's very close then.
Yes, very close. The bus ride takes a bit longer, maybe around 25 minutes.
Ah, I see. So it's slower than the taxi.
Yes, a little slower, but it costs less.
I have my suitcase with me and it's a bit heavy. I think a taxi would be easier.
Yes, with luggage, a taxi is more comfortable.
Yes, I agree. I don't want to carry my bag on the bus.
That makes sense. Would you like me to call a taxi for you?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
Of course. I'll call one right now. It should be here in about 5 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome, Mr. Brown. I hope you have a safe trip.
Thank you. I really enjoyed my stay here.
We're happy to hear that. Have a great day!